Hi, 3.3 ISP EBGP routing section. Okay, let's do this section. Advertise by 1.9.0.0.0/8 toward the ISPs on R1. This is this network toward the ISPs on R1. We have to advertise this network toward this on this ISP. This is inside show EBGP. Okay, this is inside ERGRP, show IP root ERGRP. Yes, this is this network 3 that is subnet. We have to summarize this and advertise toward ISPs. Ensure that R1 doesn't create additional entries in this BGP table. For more specific prefix of this aggregate, and no other IPv4 unique IPv should be advertised to ISPs from AS 2000. This is AS 2000. Okay, this is BGP automatic. That's summary feature. This is disabled by default. Disabled by default. Okay, let's see what this feature is. Okay. Auto summary in BGP. To configure automatic summary of subnet routes into network level routes, use automatic connected address family mode. This is family mode. It's disabled by default. So disabled by default. Summarizes routes to classful network boundaries. When this command is enabled, it will summarize. This is important, so important. Automatic summarization applies to connected, static, and redistributed, not network. Disabled by default is disabled BGP access, and BGP accepts subnet is displayed from other port IGPs. To block subnet and create summary. Okay, this is said why is disabled by default. Okay, yeah. Let's see what we have to do here. Okay, this is R1 BGP and ERGRP. ERGRP and BGP here. We have to create prefix list for this range. Prefix 4119.3.0.0. in root map, then we distribute it inside BGP. Distribute BGP into BGP. To distribute into BGP. Then enable auto that summary command inside BGP. The redistribute. Okay, this is good information about some misconception of network. With auto summary, summarize it means a class with network. Without auto summary, just redistribute the subnet. This is network command. After subnet as well as class with networks. Without auto summary, just subnet. Okay, let's do. Let's see what prefix we have to create. Show IP root. Show IP root 119.3. That 0.0/30. We don't have that root. Oh, excuse me. Along this prefix, we have to create network mask here. We have to find that 0.0/8 not 4.0.0 not. Okay, this is prefix via. Now let's create a root map IP prefix list. Config t IP prefix list. And we name it network 111. Permit 111.3. What was that? .3.0.0 /24. Okay. Then clear root map. EBGP into BGP. Permit sequence file. Then match IP address prefix list, the name of prefix list here. What was the name? Network one this. Okay. When we have created prefix list, then added it inside root map. Now we have to redistribute inside BGP. Show subsection TBG. This is config we have to go at this family section for unicast, then redistribute. What was the EBGP Dusha IP protocol? This is EBGP 5000. Redistribute EBGP is 5000. Root map. What was the root map name? Oh, EBGP into BGP. Okay. Now we have to add this command auto summary inside BGP. Before add, let's see what we have here. Do show IP BGP. Okay, this is this network. This is a /24. Let's enable this command. Okay, do show IP BGP. It should summarize this. Do it inject the BGP via redistribution or summarize on a classful boundary. Remain network address and host on the top of my account. It should be converted /8 because 119 is in class A. It should be converted to /8 like this. So let's verify. Yes, this is good. Dusha BGP IPv4 unicast 111.0.0.0.0. Okay, this is not so good. Like this. Say it will be class A. Okay, and let's see if we and no other IPv4 unique. Let's verify this too, and show IPBGP summary 120 for this. Show BGP IPv4 unicast neighbors for this one. Advertisements. Okay, this is only advertise this network. Let's verify other one too. Advertise. Good. Okay, let's do another one. Advertise this toward ISPs on our file. This is full version. New. Okay, advertise this network toward ISP on R4 with a topology R4 toward ISPs on R4 toward this and this. Match the following output on R4. On our file, we have to see this one. Let's verify our file here. Show IPBGP 1024. Okay, we have community here. And aggregated by this. This is default network, but we have for this network. We have community here too, either. Okay, we have to add communities and aggregate. This is aggregate command. Aggregate BGP, and we have to use attribute map in aggregate. We have to use attribute map in aggregate to advertise this community for community, and aggregate with summary only. Let's see this feature. This is with aggregation in BGP. We have to use summary only and attribute map. Attribute map to advertise this community. Let's see what topology says. It says if we use summary only with this subnet, it will only advertise this summary. Because you have a summary argument answer, there is only another aggregate the class word, and this one and this one are subset. Okay, this is shell PPGP on RC whatever C whatever C. We have used summary only. And this is network of this one. This network 160 and 160.10 and 160.20. Then we have summarized this to 160. Then rotate the we'll see this as summary. Okay, we have a summary only and attribute map. That's what this is attribute map. Change the attribute of aggregate. You can use attribute map to manipulate aggregate address with no export community attribute. For example, yeah, it uses no export. It uses root map with no export. Then it is aggregated attribute map. Change the community of the aggregate. This is root map of map. It created root map with set community known. Then change the root map. Okay. There is no community set for aggregate rule. What else advertise this? Because it uses the set community known. Yeah, let's configure this on our 4. Okay, we have to create a root map. Config T root map, for example. What is set community. Permit. No, this is better than For example, set community 3000 4000. Set 3000 and 4000. Permitted 5. Okay. Now let's set excuse me, set community this is new this is new number, this is new version of community. This is new version. We have to enable IPGP new format here. We need to enable IPGP new format for this new section. IPGP new that format. Set community. What is the community? (3000:90). 3000:90. And 4000:120. Okay, we have set community in root map. Then we have to aggregate this network. To show IPGP to show pipe section data this is okay. One thing we have to advertise this network because this is default here. We have to advertise this by network command, then set aggregate. Yeah, aggregate. We have to set network, then aggregate this address. To show IPGP, we don't have this network. We have to first advertise this. Okay, first advertise this network. We have to go at this family section, this family IPv4 network. What was the name here? what was the network? To show IP truth. Okay. This is /31. To show IP root. That 254. Okay, this is a /31. We have to advertise this network. This and mask this one. To show IP BGP. Okay, we have this advertise this network. Then we have to aggregate this to 24. Aggregate address will convert to 24. This one and aggregate mask 2.5.2.5.2.5.0. This is 24 and summary only. Then attribute map. Then add the load map. What for the load map? Okay. Attribute summary load map, everything looks good. Okay. To show IP BGP. Okay, we have aggregate address and surface map, surface command here. Good. Now we have to see this one. Okay, this is 24. Good. Aggregated for 1000. Here we have to enable This is new version. Config T conf IP BGP. I think it's in IP BGP. Okay. IP BGP access BGP. Oh yes, new format. Okay, so good. This one aggregated by this one, this true, and community of this one. Okay, let's see what we have done here. We have created section. We have created root map. Then set community. This is where I have to enable this IP BGP new format. Okay. I have created this root map. Then set community for this root map. And redistributed then aggregated this inside BGP do share part section that BGP, then advertise the network for this one. This network was /31, then aggregated 31 to 24. This is 31. Then aggregate network to 24 with summary only. Then I use the attribute map to set community. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video.